Welcome friends. In this video I will do technical analysis of Cosmos Atom and I will tell you my next long duration targets, my next medium duration targets and my next short duration immediate short term targets for the Cosmos Atom. Please like this video and please share this video to all of your Atom holders friends. And here you can see this is the Cosmos Atom page of CoinGecko and currently it is trading at here you can see $14.25 level, and here you can see the reduction 1.5% reduction in 24 hours. The current rank of the Cosmos at CoinGecko is 20, and let me please show you some statistics. Here you can see in 1 year Cosmos gives 2.9% to its holders. It is a good profit, and here you can see some price and market stats of the Cosmos Atom. Here you can see this is the market cap, and total market dominance of the Cosmos is 0.25%, and this is the 24-hour low price and this is the 24-hour high price. This is the 7 days low price, this is the 7 days high price, and here you can see all-time high of Cosmos was $14.90 price, and all-time low is $1.16, and it gives its user 1146% gain. And let me please show you some major exchanges, and here you can see these are the markets: Binance, Huobi Global, Coinbase Pro, and some other markets. If you want to trade Atom at on Binance, then please go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section where you can get the link of Binance exchange. Just click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds. And if you want to join Bybit, then click on this link and create your account within 30 seconds and will get $600 bonus after depositing these quantities. Let me please focus to the content and let me please show you the chart of the Atom. Here you can see this is the Atom Cosmos 4-hour Binance chart. It is currently trading at $14.2 level, and this is the major downtrend line. And let me please tell you my immediate short-term target. First I will tell you my immediate short-term targets, then definitely I will tell you my long duration and medium duration targets too. Here you can see this is the resistance, the horizontal resistance level at $15, which is the all-time high of the Cosmos. And let me please show you the some supports and resistance level of the Cosmos. Let me please show you. Here you can see 1.14 is the lowest level and lowest price of Atom, and for 15.03 or you can say $15 is the highest price of the all-time high of the Atom. And let me please show you and let me please tell you my next targets. Next upside target currently for me is that zone. If Atom, let me please tell you, then I will explain how I calculate this target. Please friend like this video and please share this video to all of your friends who are holding Atom Cosmos. This is the immediate short-term target for me right now in Cosmos, and it is $21.3. Here you can say Cosmos will hit $20 within, I think, within some days. Cosmos definitely have to hit this zone, this price target. But for this, Cosmos must have to break this horizontal very strong resistance, which is at $15. Once Cosmos break this upside resistance of $15 and close daily candle or 4-hourly candle above this with high volume. Let me please show you the volume. Here you can see currently volume is not very satisfactory and not very high. I need this kind of candle in this chart. Once Cosmos break this $15 resistance and close day candle above this, then our next target of the Cosmos will be at $21 price, and this is my immediate short-term target for the Cosmos right now. And let me please tell you the next targets, medium and long duration targets. Please stay in the video and please like this video and please share this video to all of your friends who are holding this coin. Let me please show you. Please friend, show your support and like this video. First, let me tell you my immediate, my medium duration targets. Sorry for that. There is some issue with my mouse. Please stay in the video. Here you can see. Cosmos is currently at that level, 14.25 price level, and once Cosmos break this zone of $15 price level, and then definitely our next medium term target is $23, and our next target, let me please show you, will be this point, $37 level. Main question is that we have to buy Cosmos from that point or we have to wait. I think we have to wait. Once Cosmos reject from that level and hit this downtrend, hit this price level, which is at 9.7 or maybe 7.9, or you can say $8. This is the best zone. This is the golden pocket of the Fibonacci. I think you have to buy at Cosmos at $8 price level, and let me please show you, if you buy Cosmos from that price level, then let me please show you my next target. I think this is the golden zone, and this is the best time to buy Cosmos once Cosmos dip to $8 price, and then we have to buy, I think. And set your stop loss at, I think, which is that point, $6.1. You have to buy, I think, Cosmos at $8 price level, and you have to put your stop loss at $6.1 level. Then our next target will be, let me please show you, immediate short term and my medium duration and my long duration target. Let me please tell you. Our first target will be that point which will give you 50% profit, and it will hit definitely $12.21 level, and after that definitely it will go to its all-time high and will hit this level and will give you 200%, I think, approximately. Your risk will be 25% and your reward will be 200% if you buy Cosmos at $8 price and put your stop loss at $6.1. Then you can gain 200% within next 2 or 3 months, I think so. And let me please tell you my 6-month target for the Cosmos right now, I think, which is very, I think, I am honestly going to tell you. This is our 6-month target, $50 to $52 level is our next 6-month target for the Cosmos. If you buy Cosmos from $8 price level and put your stop loss at $6.1 and set your take profit at $52 or $50 level, then definitely it will give you 500 to 550% profit. This is my target of the 6 months for the Cosmos. And let me please tell you my 1-year target. I think if you hold Cosmos for 1 year, definitely it will hit this level, I think, within 1 year. $80 is my next target for the 1 year. If you hold Cosmos for 1 year, then definitely it will give you 900% profit, and your risk will be just 25% if you buy at $8 price and hold it for 1 year. And I think within 1.5 years, definitely it have to hit this level, which is $100 level in within 1 to 1.5 years. And it will have to give you, it should give you 1100% profit if you buy at $8 price and put your stop loss at $100 level. This is the target of 1.5 year. I think you have to hold till 1 year to 1.5 year, I think definitely it will give you 1100 to 1200% profit within 1 to 1.5 years. This is my realistic targets. I am not creating any hype, and these are very realistic, I think. Please show your support and please like this video if you like this stuff, and if you want this kind of targets, and if you want if you want any coins technical analysis, then please write this coin in my in this video's comment section. And if you want to join Binance, then go to in this video's description and or in this video's comment section. Just click on this link and create your Binance account or your Bybit account with this link within 30 seconds. Thanks for the watching, friend. Take care.